Welcome everyone. Many times, pursuing commerce stream after getting reasonable marks in 10th is a point of discussion. People think that in commerce stream there are limited career options, that is BCom, CACS, that's all. But this is not true. The truth is that commerce field opens up lots of career opportunities just like science. Nowadays, top students are also purposefully opting for commerce. Students who are pursuing career in commerce have a wide range of choices in front of them. There are various courses available after 12th commerce. Students can pursue commerce courses at undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD level. The regular bachelor's and master's degree courses are available full-time as well as part-time. There are several bachelor courses that you can think about, such as BCom, BCA, BBA, BMS, BA, BBI, BFA, CFA, BAF, Diploma in Banking and Finance, and Bachelor's in Economics, etc. You can get BCom degree in various subjects as special subject like BCom in Banking and Insurance, Accounting and Taxation, SAP, Derivative and Risk Management, Forensic Accounting and Frauds, Financial Technologies, International Business and Finance, International Trade, Financial and Stock Market Analysis, Business Service Management, Healthcare, and Information Systems and Management. There are various professional courses which you can choose after your graduation, such as CA, CS, CMA, CFP, and LLB. There are some entrance exams for professional courses. CA Foundation. CA Foundation is the entrance exam for CA, that is Chartered Accountant. This exam has 4 subjects: Principles and Practice of Accounting, Business Law and Business Correspondence and Reporting, Business Mathematics and Logical Reasoning and Statistics, Business Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge. Out of these 4, first and second are subjective and both of the remaining subjects are of objective type. Each subject is for 100 marks. You need to get minimum 40% marks in each subject and 50% aggregate to qualify. CS Foundation. CS Foundation is the entrance exam for CS, that is Company Secretary. It has 4 subjects: Business Environment and Entrepreneurship, Business Management, Ethics and Communication, Business Economics, and Fundamentals of Accounting, each for 100 marks. CMA Foundation. There are 4 subjects: Fundamental of Economics and Management, Fundamental of Accounting, Fundamentals of Law and Ethics, Fundamentals of Business Mathematics, each for 100 marks. CLAT for LLB. This is All India Entrance Exam to qualify for getting admission for LLB. It has 3 papers: English, General Knowledge and Current Affairs, Elementary Mathematics, Legal Aptitude and Logical Reasoning. This paper is pen paper type exam having total 120 questions for 2 hours and It has negative marking of 0.25. Law CET. This is a state level entrance exam to get admission in colleges in Maharashtra for LLB. This exam consists of 5 papers: legal aptitude and legal reasoning, general knowledge and current affairs, logical and analytical reasoning, English, and mathematical aptitude. This is an online exam having 150 questions for 2 hours, and there is no negative marking. In our school, we teach subject of these entrance exams from the beginning, that is from 11th standard, so that students can prepare themselves for these exams. Now, there are some other courses which you can pursue after 12th commerce, such as journalism and mass communication, event management, wildlife photography, fashion designing, hotel management, animation and multimedia. So, stop thinking and start acting. You have to decide what you want to do. Follow your passion and take the right career decision. Wish you all the best for building a successful career in commerce field.